everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to prune a jade plant. Keep on watching. Today I am going to prune this jade plant. It's a 3-year-old jade plant. You can use clean knife or you can use a pruner. Before we're going to prune anything, we are going to assess the plant. So we're going to look at the plant and see which branches we want to get rid of first. So on this plant there are 2 branches that are very new, this one over here, and there's another one on this side, this small one. For this branch here, I'm not going to use a pruner, I'm just going to use a knife and slice it like that. You can just cut it flush to the trunk. And now we are going to rotate it to this side. And I'm going to get rid of this branch. After we're done that, now we can see the trunk is now more visible by getting rid of 2 of those stems. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of some of these old bigger leaves to show the trunk a little bit more, just like that. And there's 2 big ones up here. Be very careful when you're doing this so that you don't damage the trunk. Now on this plant I have 3 main branches. This branch is growing really nicely and it's getting a little heavy on this side. But this stem over here, I didn't cut it on the top, so it has less branches. Make sure to always look at all the options and imagine how the tree will look. I'm going to remove a few other leaves, these old ones here. Now if we look at the plant, we can see this stem has less volume up here and this is way heavier than that one. So what I'm going to see if I can take maybe 1 or 2 branches, we're going to do one by one. I think I am going to remove this branch right here that's going this way. I have previously cut it here. As you can see, it grow multiple branches. Whenever you cut above the leaves or wherever these brown lines are, which is called leaf scar, it will always produce 2 branches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this branch and I'm not going to prune it because I don't want it to branch out from here. After removing this branch, I'm going to remove this branch as well because it's sticking out a lot, so it can be even to the other side. So I'm going to use my knife again very carefully and I'm going to take it off. I'm going to look at the plant again one more time to see what I need to get rid of. I think this branch over here is going out and it's kind of going downwards. I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to keep the ones that are going up. So I will get rid of this branch as well. We have this branch sticking out. I think I would like to get rid of this branch as well. And I'm again using a knife because I don't want it to branch out from here. If you want your plant to branch out, what you can do, anywhere where there's 2 leaves, you can cut above the leaf and it will branch out from here. Over there I can get rid of this branch, so I will have multiple branches here. So what I can do, just cut pretty close. You can just leave a little bit so that you don't cut the leaf. Just like that. Let me show you an example. This right here, I had made a cut here previously. As you can see, it has grown 2 branches from here. That way it will get more bushier on the top. You can do that. You can prune it further if you like, but I think for me this is it for now. I can check back in summer if I like to prune a little bit more and see how it's shaping. You don't have to prune it all at once. You can just do 1, 2, 3 stems at a time, whatever you feel comfortable with. If you are doing it for the first time, make sure you take one stem at a time. After you cut one stem, you can just look at the plant and see how it looks, or also you can just imagine if you cut in certain place how it would look, and do one by one. If you ever made a mistake and cut a stem that you think you should have kept it, it's okay, because it'll still keep growing more branches even down here, sometimes at the bottom too. I always get rid of them because I don't need them, but you can see there's more branches coming out here that I don't want, but they're too small right now, so I would leave them as it is, and once they are a little bit bigger and I see how they look, if I would like to keep them or remove them. You can prune your jade plants any time of the year because they grow all year round, but it is best time to prune them in spring or summer because that's when they push out a lot of growth, so they can recover pretty easily. Now you're left with all these stems and leaves. You don't need to throw them away, you can propagate them. I have a video about how to propagate the leaves and stems, please check it out. I also have another video about how to make them grow a thicker trunk. I will link them on the screen and also in the description box below. If you still have any further questions about pruning the jade plant, please feel free to comment in the comment box below. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. I'll see you next time.